morning, everybody. Welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. My name is Samantha. I apologize about my little red nose. Got a little sinus thing going on. Okay, guys, I just want to show you what my finished compost is looking like. I compost here in my chicken coop, which is also a Raken pen and where my quail stay. So I'm really excited about this. We have done numerous videos on how to make compost using the mushroom substrate, how to make compost in your chicken coop, all of those videos, why you should do it, how it keeps bumblefoot down. All of those videos are available to you on a playlist called All Things Chicken and Quail. Go and check it out. A lot of great information there, guys. But the coolest thing is, today I get to show you what it actually looks like as the compost finishes making, which is kind of a rarity because I'm always showing you how to. Rare do I get to show you, here's the finished product. You know, because it takes months. So you've seen 4 months of how-tos. Today you're gonna see this is why. So I'm so excited. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share our videos. Help us get word out to the entire world that you can work smarter, not harder, that you can use sustainable loop systems, that you can do this with little to no out-of-pocket money, recycling, upcycling, and repurposing materials all over your farm. Use your farm animals for what they were intended to do. We hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like here in the chicken coop as this load of compost finishes up. So what we've got here is a very nice mound of compost that I've been working on in my chicken coop. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So what is in this compost, you might ask? All right, so we have some mushroom substrate. You can catch that video on making mushroom compost. We have obviously got chicken manure. Over here we have the rabbit cages and a Raken pen, and you can see the rabbit manure right there. We also have quail right there. So I come out here and I get some quail manure from underneath. Are you stealing the food? And I put it back in here. Now the neatest thing is our rabbits eat a lot of natural feed. So it falls through and it gets composted back in here. We also have feathers, eggshells, organic hay. Good morning. You just gonna, you know, pop up in the middle? Where was I, guys? Any kind of leftover vegetables or grass clippings. We bring in lots and lots of leaves by the wheelbarrow. And a couple of times a week, I come out here with my handy dandy pitchfork or my shovel and I turn this. And I just wanted to show you, I'm doing some fall gardening this week, and this is what I will be planting into. It's also what I seed into. Isn't that beautiful? So the chickens made this for me. Oh, you can even see I've got banana peels in it. I mean, pretty much this is my compost, guys. Coffee grounds, everything goes in here. So let's turn it and let me show you how beautiful this is. Show you guys how thick this is. Look at that. So this is like really, really deep. And the girls love it. When I flip it, everybody gets out here and they start digging, which again just helps turn this into amazing compost. The best way to be able to keep down flies right here underneath where they roost is to dump some fresh material, some fresh compost. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed on that every day, okay? Even if you don't have time to flip your compost, get out here, cover those areas where you see the manure, all right? It keeps down odor, keeps down flies. There you go. Doesn't take but a few minutes. Watch out, ladies. Watch out. There you go. Poop is now covered. Everybody's happy. Just wanted to show this to you guys. Quick video on composting in your chicken coop. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.